How to log Google Drive files with password. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily do that. So the first thing you have to do is head over to your web browser. I'm using Google Chrome. I'm going to go to my Drive. So simply search for drive.google.com and head over to your Drive. Now, if there are some files that you want to protect, Google Drive does not give you a default option to lock your folder. So you're going to have to do a workaround with that using Google Forms. So in order to do that, just find your files first. So let's say these photos I want to password protect. What I'm going to do is click on this photos option. I'm going to now go ahead and open Google Forms first. So let's just open Forms. So I'm going to search for Google Forms and hit enter. Click on the first link. Then you'll be headed over to this page. Now you can create a blank form first and give it a title. So I'm going to give it password. So I'm going to give it a name, protected files, add a description as well. So enter a password to access the file. All right, so now let's add our question. So first thing what I'm going to do is add a question. In order to add a question, I'm going to click on it. Here on the untitled question, I'm going to choose a short answer question. Then let's write the question, enter the password, or let's just ask, what's the password? And on the answer section, they will be able to answer. So what you're going to do is make it required, then click on the more option, and then add a response validation. If it's number, then you can add a range of numbers, but I'm going to add text. Now on the text, it contains text here. Let's just add our password. So for example, password 123 for now. So obviously you're going to have to enter a valid password or make it more secure. And on the custom error text, let's just add incorrect password, try again. All right, so once you have done that, you can just go to the responses tab. And then what you're going to do here is go to settings, go to responses, make sure that you select this option on the contact email address. Make sure to select do not collect, and on limit to one response, you are going to turn this one off as well. Go down, go to presentation. And once you get here, all you have to do is find this option after submission and edit the confirmation message. So what you're going to have to do here is correct password or something along those lines. And then I'm going to type in something like, here are the files. Then I'm going to paste the link from my Google Drive. So I'm going to go ahead and click on share. So let's just share it, right click on it, click on share. So I'm going to share this folder, then click on share again. Right now it will be most probably restricted. So I'm going to change this to anyone with the link and then copy the link. I'm going to set this as viewer and then go here, paste the link and then click on save. And click on publish and publish the form. All right, so now let's see this whole thing in action. Let's just go to preview now. What I'm going to do is here are the protected files. You're going to have to enter a password to access the files. So what's the password? If someone enters an incorrect password and if they click on submit, you won't be able to access the files. So let me show you guys again. Let's just enter a wrong password. As you can see, it says incorrect password, try again. So let's just enter the correct password now, which is password 123, and then click on submit. As you can see here, it says correct password. Here are the files. And if you click on this link, you should be able to access these files. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll see you on the next one.